Hey Cubbies, it's China. So I wanted to come to you guys with a quick little haul that I have from Octoly. I'm so excited about. And guys, if you don't know what Octoly is, it's like a app where you can get free stuff if you're a YouTuber or if you have an Instagram account. I think you have to have at least 5,000 followers on Instagram in order to be on Octoly. I don't recall what the YouTube requirement is, but you guys can go check it out. So I have a link for it down below in the description bar. You guys know I've been using Octoly for a long time, and I've been getting some amazing products from there. So I'm so excited to share with you these products. The first thing I want to show with you guys is this one. And I actually did a video for this a while back, and the footage got deleted, so I have to redo this. But this is called Dial a Smile Zero Whitening Lightning. It's a teeth whitening pen, and it's from Gerard Cosmetics. It's just a pen like this with a little brush on there, and you would screw this part right here, and the product comes up through the brush. I make sure I floss my teeth and brush my teeth, so you'll dry your teeth off, and then you'll paint this on the back of your teeth, on the front of your teeth. And you have to hold your teeth like this for like 30 seconds while it dries, 30 seconds to 60 seconds while it dries. And then at that point you can close your mouth and you can leave it on. You know, at nighttime, and then in the morning I just rinse my mouth out. Now this actually does work. And guys, it is sensitive, so like if you have sensitive teeth or sensitive gums, this is going to be great. It does not irritate my gums at all. I don't get any pain or weird tingling or anything like that. The only thing that I don't like about this product is that you put it on your teeth and you close your mouth, and then, you know, the inside of your mouth is moist. So I feel like I swallow a lot of this when I have it in my mouth. So like normally for me, when I put this on, I put my teeth guards on, and these are actually a part of an old whitening kit I had. But I put this on, and then I just slide my guards in, and I keep these in for at least a half an hour, and then I feel a little bit better. I don't feel like I'm swallowing a lot of stuff. So like that's the only complaint I would have about this. But other than that, it is teeth sensitive. It definitely does whiten your teeth. I would make sure to, like I said, to do the back and the front of your teeth if you really want to see them get white. It's just really convenient too. It's just a little tube. So I have a link for this down below in the description bar if you want to check it out. So I love Ofra Cosmetics. I've been doing a lot of videos with their products. You guys know, oh my gosh, their stuff is amazing, amazing, amazing. So they sent me some new lipsticks and a highlight, and I'm actually wearing, okay, so I'm wearing the highlight right now. Y'all see that? Y'all see the glow on my face? This is called Rodeo Drive, honey. So it comes in a package like this. So it's an Ofra highlighter, and it's called Rodeo Drive. And it comes like this. And I love the pattern that they have on their highlighter. It's so pretty. I hope my camera will capture it for you guys. But it's just this beautiful golden color. It is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So that's the one I have on today in this video. Like I said, it's called Rodeo Drive, and it's beautiful, you guys. Like, oh my god, my face looks like I'm just like shiny, like I was just out in the sun, or like I came back from vacation from the Bahamas or something like that. If you want your highlight on fleek, check out these products. I have a link down below. There's also a 30% discount code. I'll have that down below as well for you guys. So the next thing they sent me are their lippies. So I have one on today. This is called Americano. This is a liquid lipstick. So it's a long-lasting liquid lipstick. It says one step full lip color that does not feather. It doesn't feather, you guys. I have not had any problems with feathering at all. It says the liquid lipstick is a smooth texture. It's moisturizing. It is very moisturizing. It is smooth. And it creates a long-lasting lipstick effect. It contains antioxidants, vitamin E, while the formula provides a lightweight layer of lasting color to make you feel fresh all day. This stuff, I had one for about 3 hours now, 2-3 hours. I've been drinking water out of my mug here. I haven't been eating because I've been filming, but the color is amazing. I put this on with a dark liner, like a dark brown liner. So I put the dark brown liner on first. I put the lipstick on over top of everything. Honey, this is a bomb nude. The color just looks so amazing. It's so beautiful. So they sent me that one, and then they sent me this kit here with 3 of the colors in there. I'm going to do swatches for all of them for you guys. This is called their Vintage Vineyard Lip Set. So it looks like that. The colors are so pretty. So I'm going to swatch them all for you, loves. So this is the first one. She's called Tuscany. I love how creamy these things are, you guys. Like, oh my gosh. Oh, she's so pretty. I tried doing a heart, but now I just realized it's upside down. But that's what she looks like. Oh my gosh. It's so freaking pretty. So it goes on soft and creamy and velvety, and then it dries matte. Oh, so pretty. The next one is called Cape Town. Because I put the names everything down below. This is, I think this one is like my favorite. Like, I think it just looks so pretty. Like, I keep wanting to put it on, but like I don't think it's gonna go with my look for today. So yeah, let's not do that. I'm gonna put it right here in the middle. Oh, it's so pretty. Ooh, ooh. Try to make a big swatch so you guys can see the color. So she is right here. It's called Cape Town, and that's Tuscany. And then the last one I have is called Bordeaux. So Bordeaux, it's this dark purpley color. I love purple lipsticks. I think I have like almost 10, 20 purple lipsticks. But yeah, I'm going to keep collecting them too because I love them. Oh my gosh. It's so vampy, you guys. Oh my gosh. Hold on a minute. Let me finish painting this out. I'm so excited. So guys, you are going to be seeing these lipsticks, of course, and everything else in my upcoming makeup tutorials because like I use their products all the time. So yeah, you will be seeing them in makeup tutorials. And I did do a look for this one on my Facebook page. So there's a link to my Facebook page down below. I did a Facebook live video. So I shared it to my profile. So you guys should still be able to go ahead and go over there and watch it. Look at that. It's so dark and so vampy. This is the Vintage Vineyard lip set by Ofra Cosmetics, and the colors are beautiful. And outside of that one, outside of the lip set, this one is called Americano. So I will have links for everything down below. These lipsticks are beautiful. They're very moisturizing, guys. My lips do not feel dry, even though they are matte, and they're just amazing. Look at that. Hey Cubby, so I'm just here to show you this new mascara that was sent to me from Lancome. All opinions are 100% my own. So they sent me the Cils Booster XL, if I'm saying it right, but it's a primer for your mascara. It's a white color. The booster formula allows for more length, curve, and thickness for your lashes without clumping or smudging. And the white color helps intensify the color of the mascara that you're going to apply over top of it. So you put this one on first. I let it dry just a tiny, tiny bit before I applied my mascara. And then the mascara they sent me is called the Define Souls Mascara. I'm not even sure if I'm saying this correctly, guys. So, but I will have the mascara down below in the description bar with a name for it. Now for the mascara, this is called the Define Souls Mascara. This is also by Lancome. So this one, it helps make your lashes look lavishly long and perfectly defined. And this has actually been an award-winning mascara that's been around for more than 16 years, but I think it's crazy. But what happens is when you coat your lashes with the mascara, there are little polymers that coat each lash from the root to the tip. So this mascara is going to help lengthen and outline each lash for an unmatched definition. The application brush, like it helps grab each and every individual lash and it helps to stretch each lash out and it helps define each lash. That's why I love it so much. So you get the booster and then you also get the mascara so that that way your lashes really pop. So I'm going to include a picture so that way you guys can see what my lashes look like after I got done applying the mascara, but it's very, very, very nice, and it helps like separate each and every lash, and it also works on your bottom lashes as well. So If you want a mascara, it's going to really help define your lashes and help make them look longer. Check out this mascara, guys. I have a link for it down below in the description bar. So yeah, that's everything for this video. I hope that you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. If you're not subscribed, make sure you do. There should be something on the screen here to click on to subscribe, and make sure, of course, that you do sign up for notifications. That way YouTube will let you know that I have a video up, so you guys come over and watch. But I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay fierce, stay fabulous. Black China Bear. Mwah.